Kastking has sent me this tackle box going along with their outdoor themes, and they have a pretty general fishing theme, but I've loved Kastking's products. They've sent me a number, and I think they are really, really good. So here's a quick general look at it. Pretty basic in terms of presentation. Just a nice gray and black color scheme going on. I can find just a good way to open it, and we can see what it comes with. There we go. I think I'm tearing it a bit more than was intended, but that's probably okay. So, okay, yeah, there we go. Taking it out, let's first look at the instructions, or at least I assume that's what this is. So, yeah, there we go. Tackle box, some features such as transparent lid, some ventilation. Apparently there's a ruler, that's pretty neat. Stickers to label with, I think that's what these are. Here's some quick steps on opening, kind of closing. I think this is the couple of different models. Yeah, so this one is a little shorter. Oh yeah, it's pretty, yeah, there's quite a bit of difference between these two dimensions. I'm not sure what this one is though, but it's good to keep that in mind. And we have the black variants. So stickers, I don't know exactly where you would put these, but we can open this up and try and take a look. Maybe I should look at the instructions because I'm kind of struggling with this. Open. There we go. So opening it up here, we got a good look at this. This one section looks to be a bit different. Not sure what this is. It says absorbs moisture. I'm assuming these are probably just silica beads. So probably keep that in there and help keep this nice and dry. If you couldn't tell already though, as well from this, this is pretty customizable. You can take these dividers out and move them around, and that makes for quite a bit of, what's a good word? Customization? Yeah. So I think that's really neat. I mean, I don't know exactly what else to say in terms of the inside. Closing it, we'll throw that down. Locks pretty good. This handle, it looks like you are supposed to trim that. Yeah, this says to remove that. And on the back is just a thank you, and I'm not sure what else there is besides that. Here's the ruler. I was trying to find that, but yeah, just slightly on there. It's about 10-inch ruler, so that's nice to have. And other than that, I don't know exactly what else to say other than, again, just a great product. It feels quality made. I said that about a number of things, but it's true here as well. So thank you again, Kastking. Another product that I am happy with, that I think is great, and I recommend you pick up if you're looking for a good tackle box.